What are you guys doing?
Cheese.
Ah, cheese.
Cheese, Bunny. Cheese, Mommy.
Thanks. We're taking pictures of each other. What is Buddy doing? Oh.
No.
Is that a good book?
No.
Can you show me where Elmo is? Is there a picture of Elmo?
No. Yeah.
Oh. Ellie, what do you got? A page from a book. Ellie, is that your swimsuit?
Yeah.
Do you love wearing your swimsuit? Does it have a tutu skirt on it? Hi, Buds. Ah, see if we can see Ellie in it. Oh, Ellie's a little photographer, huh? Let's see, Buds. Oh, there's his face. Should we go like this and get all of us? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
What? That's kind of crazy, yeah. Okay. Let's stop it.